Here we will start the second chapter, for that the instrumentation. In that the instrumentation, the block diagram for that the electronic instrument design, for that the measurement. Here that the block diagram, in that the first block that the quantity to be that the measured through the primary sensing element, where the second block is consists that the variable conversion element. In that the third element are that the variable manipulating element. In that the fourth block here consists that the data transmission element, and the fifth here is that the data presentation element. Here the general block diagram of that the instrumentation design for that the measurement. That means the measurement, which is basically a physical quantity. It is detected by the first stage of that the instrumentation or that the measurement system. The first stage is that the detector, for that the transducer stage. The quantity is detected and that the converted or that the transmuted into that the electrical form must be cases. The output of that the first stage has been modified by that the intermediate stage before it becomes usable or that the sufficient to drive the signal conditioning stage, which is the last stage. This last stage may be consist that the indicating, recording, displaying or that the data processing element, or that the may be consist that the control of that the element. In an electronic aided measurement, the quantity to be measured is converted into that the electrical signal, and then the amplified or that the otherwise modified to operate a device which is display the numerical value of that the measured quantity. This process is illustrated for that the typical cases in that the block diagram shows for that the instrumentation design for that the measurement. In that the case, an output device such as the photo detector or that the thermistor or that the bridge or that the glass, again strain gauge circuit is used to converted quantity or that the to measured into that the electrical signal. Some characteristics of that this signal is related is known as way to quantity to be measured. The measured quantity is now encoded and that the electrical signal, and the electrical signal from the output device then modified by that the suitable electronic circuit to it make that the suitable for that the operating readout device. The electronic circuit is frequency and amplifier with that the appreciated adjustable parameter, and sometimes with the automatic compensation for that the non-linearities or that the temperature variation of that the input device. It is a tourism that end of the result any measurement is number of that the measurement. The output number is obtained from that the readout device such as the meter or that the chart or that whereas the position of the marker against that the number scale is observed, and that the from light the shapes of that the numbers which is turned on. The measured quantity was encoded at least three different ways. There is the first as the physical or that the quantity or that the property, and second as the some characteristics of that the electrical signal, and the finally as a number. Each way in which data can be encoded is called that the data domains, and that the measurement data are represent in and that the instrument any value physical quantity or that the chemical quantity or that the some characteristics of that the electrical signal. Each different characteristics this property used to that the represent data, it's called that the data domain, and also the measurement of that the dynamic physical quantities required the faithful representation of their analog and the digital output obtained by that the intermediate stage, that means the signal conditioning stage. And this places a server strain on the signal conditioning system. However, the excitation source play very important role in that the electronic measurements instrument transducer stage. In that this stage, the excitation source which is needed to transducer stage may be AC or DC. Therefore, the depending of that the excitation source, there are the two types of that the signal conditioning system. One as the DC signal conditioning system and second one as that the AC signal conditioning system. Here we shows that the Wheatstone bridge. In that the AC and DC bridge. A bridge circuit, it is the simplest form, consists for that the network of the four resistance arms. That means the closed of that the circuit. With a DC source of that the current amplified of a two opposite junction and that the current detector connected to that the two other junctions. As shown that the figure Wheatstone's bridge. In that the bridge circuit are extensively used for that the measuring components values and such as the R, L and C. Since the bridge circuit is merely compares the value of and that the unknown component with that on that the accurately known as the component, it is measurement accuracy can be very high. This is because that the readout of that the comparison is based on that the null indication bridge balance circuit, and that is the independent of that the characteristics is that the null detector. The measurement of that the accuracy, therefore the directly related to that the accuracy, the bridge component is that the null indicator used. The basic DC bridge used for that the accurate measurement of that the resistance and it's called for that the Wheatstone bridge. In that the Wheatstone bridge is the most accurate method available for that the measuring resistance and that the popular for that the laboratory use. The circuit diagram of that the typical Wheatstone's bridge. The source of that the EMF and that the switch is connected to that the point A and B, while the sensitive current indicator meters, the galvanometer is connected to points for that the C and D. The galvanometer is sensitive microammeter with the 0 center scale, and the galvanometer sensitive microammeter pointers restes for that the 0, that means the mid scale. The current is one direction because the pointer deflected one side or that the current in that the opposite direction to that the other sides. When the SW1 is closed, the current flows and that the divides into that the two arms of that the point A. The I1 and I2, the bridge is balanced where there is no current through that the galvanometer, and when the potential difference at that the point C and D is equal, the potential across the galvanometer is 0. To that the obtained bridge balance equation for that the this is the bridge balance equation in that the I1 R1 and I2 R2, whereas the final equation for that the bridge circuit is balanced for that the R4 is equal to R2 into R3 divided by R1. In practical Wheatstone bridge, at least the one resistance is made for that the adjustable and to permit the balancing. When the bridge is balanced, the unknown resistor is connected to determined from that the setting of that the adjustable resistor, and that is which is called for that the standard resistor, and because it's that the precision device having the very small tolerance. That means the Rx is equal to R2 into R3 divided by R1. That means the current flows from through that the divides two arms point A, that means I1 R2, and the bridge balanced where there is the no current through for that the galvanometer, or when the potential difference points for that the C and D. Here that is the Wheatstone's bridge sensitivity. When this bridge is unbalanced condition, the current flows through from that the galvanometer because the deflection of its pointer. The amount of that the deflection functions the sensitivity of that the galvanometer. The sensitivity can be throughout the deflection per unit current. Here the overall for that the Wheatstone's bridge.